Do you ever look back on a particular day which turned your life into something you never thought it could be? I know mine. July 27, 2024. Wondering what happened after that? We went to malls, played badminton, decorated room with slides. On Diwali, we tried to learn skate. We sang together, saw people dance together, took full photos, had the best birthday of my life, solved doubts together, brought a guitar which I still can't play, played with lot of puppies, studied for 10 hours straight, spent the whole night at Gymkhana and watched movies late night, made our own mashup and sang it for our friend's birthday, went for club society meeting, tried to learn coding, went a lot of night walk, ate a lot of butter chicken while trying to convince our veg friends that the only good option they have is paneer. Went for cultural night, Garba night, tried photoshoot like a pro, worked for illumination, a unique way to celebrate Diwali in IIT Kharagpur, and saw healthy competition between halls, pretending studying at math classes, had a great night out with batches after exam, experienced the best sunrise at helipad and much more. Maybe it doesn't seem that exciting compared to your life at adventure, but I on the other hand kinda have the best year. Backtracing a little bit, I remember watching my hometown drifting away from the back window of my car and I was so happy about it. I remember it rained that day when we reached IIT Kharagpur. After an 8 hour of car journey from Jashpur, I stepped foot into IIT Kharagpur. I remember someone telling me that no one can prepare for college. One can only try. I didn't understand the full depth of that statement back then. I was aware that a lot of things are gonna change in my life, but I didn't see what was coming next. The very next day, I woke up before the alarm and we took the cab to get into the college. Just like any other IIT Kharagpur was in the outskirts of the city. Within an hour, we were at the entrance of the college. After going through all the admission procedure, I was allotted Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. It is one of the largest hostel in Asia, and I was allotted room number BC404. I was so sad that I got 4th floor. My parents helped me to set up my room and left in the evening. My room was bigger than I expected and I was pretty happy with that. While I wanted to make friends, I wasn't comfortable in English and I saw people talking in many different languages. Over the next 2 or 3 months or so, I met the most freaking amazing people I could hope to find. I remember how I was introduced to the best friend I have in the college right now. You make friends when you least expect it. Right after exhausting mid-sem, I went to eat out with some of my department friends and randomly department night out was planned that very night. It was fun. I met many amazing people. After that, some of them planned another night out of few people and I was also invited. One thing led to another and after few night out, crazy dance battles, helipad sunrise and whatnot, my very own friend group was formed. We bonded so deeply in such a short interval that it feels so unreal. Now we share our goals, trauma and drama. If any of you guys are watching this, I truly appreciate you. We share interest in many things. I got my first guitar in the college which we used to play together. An ancient wise man ever said, a college life is experienced only at the night. And he was correct. Goofing around at night, chilling outside the canteen or going for long walk around the campus. We often go hang out at each other's room and the puppies in the campus. We would something go and feed them. Now talking about the academics, they changed a lot. Coming from restless studying every day during JEE preparation, college life was much easier to handle. At least the academic part, but disclaimer, academic don't get easier when you come to college, nor you can just chill out without worrying about the studies at all. All I say is somehow easier to handle. You will still find people who are always studying, but you will still also find absolute mad lads who will just study one night and kick everyone in the butt. So do I think IIT was worth all the effort I put in? I will say yes, but not for the academics, administration or the opportunities. Now don't get me wrong, all these things that IIT is probably better than the majority of engineering college in India. All I say is what interests me more are the countless night walks, taking advices and canteens, all gathering at the best table, sharing experience as a community and also the connections you meet. For the first time, you get to be part of the people, stories and vice versa. Here literally everyone is freakingly good at something or the other. Everyone is so talented. I get to learn something from everyone. If you are already in college, you might relate to some of this, and if you are gonna be joining college soon, you are in a ride that will knock you off your feet and help you to fly at the same time. And in the whole process, you will be overwhelmed, stressed, nervous, happy, nostalgic, all at the same time. And maybe after a few years, you will be sitting with someone looking at the sunrise and you will be asking them, do you ever look back on a particular day that turned your life into something you never it could be? I know mine.